Hello everyone, I am Shivani and I have recently completed my B.Ed course, and today I am here to share my experiences with you. I have completed this course from this academy ASK, that is Astha Shiksha Kendra, and I must say my experience was totally outstanding, sir. And I must say he is a very great counselor. He guided me with all the opportunities which I will be getting after successfully completing this course, and everything went so smooth during these 2 years that I didn't even felt like a burden of anything. He was the one who took care of everything, like starting from the transparent fee structure to the book facilities to the transport facilities, entertainment facilities as well. Yes, entertainment means both freshers and the farewell party. I haven't heard any institution providing these facilities, so it's a plus point for.
Provides many facilities. Most importantly, they provide the regular classes and which are provided by the qualified teachers, and their main focus is to provide concept clarity to the students.
Center as well. I must say, if you are planning to pursue your B.Ed course, then ASK is surely your place. You must visit and take the counseling session from him. I am 100% sure that you would like it and you would totally enjoy 2 years of your B.Ed course. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, you might wonder why I'm here. I'm here to help you. Yes, if you're seeking to pursue B.Ed, you must come here to my institute ASK, that is Astha Shiksha Kendra. I am proud to be a part of it. As a student, we all want to achieve higher in our career. Yes or no? And if you want to be a teacher, so definitely B.Ed is compulsory. So as a student, I am here. We want a trustworthy person to guide us. So here you are at ASK to our Mr. Dinesh Chandra sir. Our sir who's not just the owner but a teacher, a guide and a counselor too. Or what I can say is that he is my guru, and the position of guru is always higher than your parents. So the trust remains the same. So for pursuing B.Ed, ASK provides you with ample of opportunities, and this opportunity this will be for your lifetime. So now quickly I will tell you what all the points he covers this institute to help you grow higher. First is he's genuine, yes. Trustworthy, reliability, yes. And coming on to books and files. See, in B.Ed, files are the things that need to be maintained very well. So close your eyes, follow the directions of sir, and you will make the best of the files you ever made.
Institution providing you with the internship facilities, right? But Dinesh sir did this too. He gave us the opportunity for an internship in the public school. Yes, we did internship in St. Matthew Public School. We were awarded with the internship certificate.
Your stress time during your exams. Yes, students, we are very stressful during our exams. So for this, sir arranges a bus, especially for the girls. You know, we need to be safe and our parents want us to be secure. So for this, sir arranges a bus, and in the bus, the scenario, the environment is so calm and stress-free that you won't even realize that you're going to give an exam. And the exam, if you follow the directions of sir, exam is going to be super good. Me, as an example, my exams went so smooth with sir.
Notes provided by sir, the books and the guidelines, and most importantly the guest booklet, all together makes a very easy for a student to crack B.Ed. Sir has given the guidelines how to write the paper, what are the main steps to be focused on, how to start the paper, how to end the paper, what are the most important content which are needed in the exam sheets. So he has guided us completely, and I feel honored to be part of ASK, that is Astha Shiksha Kendra, and I personally recommend to my near and dear ones 100% confidently that he is the best and provides the best facilities, and most importantly he is and his institution is authentic.
Crucial time of coronavirus also, sir provided us with the online lectures. He guided us, he supported us, he always clarified our doubts, so he is an amazing. Also Tanya ma'am gave us the lectures, so she also clarified our doubts. So all the faculty members of the Ask Academy has helped us in our BA journey. So I would conclude you that when you will join this Ask Academy, you will not regret it. Okay, thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Amandeep. I am from Astha Shiksha Kendra Institute. I am in B.Ed second year. Astha Shiksha Kendra Institute is one of the best institute who is offering B.Ed as well as M.Ed course of help. But luckily I found Astha Shiksha Kendra Institute, which is very transparent in each and everything. We are getting regular classes, regular attendance, help in file work, help in internal exam as well as in external exam. We also get exam guidance, which mainly consists of important questions before our external examination, which help us to score well in our university examination. And I must say Dinesh sir is very kind and very helpful person. He also help you in finding a better job in school. So don't think twice, just enroll yourself in B.Ed and M.Ed course in Astha Shiksha Kendra.
Hello everyone, my name is Garima Gupta. I am doing B.Ed from Astha Shiksha Kendra. I am in second year. So my journey with Astha Shiksha Kendra has been very wonderful. In these 2 years, sir and the other faculty member has been always very supportive and acted as a guide in our B.Ed journeys. So when you will enroll yourself in B.Ed journey, you will not only found that there is an environment of learning, but you will also see that there's an environment of friendship, the bond that you will create with everyone. So at the time of exams, sir used to provide us the guest papers, and these guest papers were the God's gift, because the question paper that come in the exams are pretty much close to these guest papers, so they are very helpful to each and every students.